got upgraded. Our seats get their own bags. Or wait, our bags have their own seats.
So today is a little bit of a nerve-wracking day. Unfortunately, as we've been going through Africa, we have been taking up way more pages in our passport than we initially thought. So we have to go to the embassy here in Mozambique to try and get a passport as soon as possible shipped here in Africa so we can continue traveling. Fingers crossed that we can do it, but we're definitely very nervous.
So we have found a very nice studio to take our passport pictures, which is a huge relief. The only thing is I forgot to put a t-shirt on, so I'm gonna have to wear Mike's t-shirt. The commissioner was wonderful and helped us order new rush passports and let us pay a fee so we could keep our old passports to carry on traveling until the new ones were shipped to Africa.
After 5 weeks on the road overlanding Africa, we have finally stopped somewhere for a couple nights to reset, and it has felt incredible. We're staying at an eco lodge in Mozambique, right on the ocean, and we can sip our coffee all morning, watching whales pass in front, and it has just been exactly what we wanted.
So after a few days of relaxing here at the resort, we are headed back to the capital today. But before we head back, we are going to go snorkeling for a few hours this morning. And hopefully we're going to see some whale sharks because it is one of the best places in the world to swim with whale sharks here. So Mozambique was everything that we wanted. We got the R&R that I think we desperately needed. I think we got our passport situation figured out. And then to top it off, we also got to do one of my #1 bucket list things and swim with whale sharks. It was the trip of a lifetime, and now we are super excited to be going back to Safari Land? I don't know. We're going to Botswana, but with a quick stop in Victoria Falls to see, obviously, Victoria Falls.